ВАЛЕНТИНА СКУЛЬТЭ Английский для детей. Часть 2. Урок 5.
The 5th lesson. The 5th of May. Friday. The Fox and the Lock. A lullaby. Cock-a-doodle-doo, crows the cock. Granny yawns, it is 2 o'clock. Baby sleeps, the night is long. Granny starts to sing a song. In the shed there is an ox. Round the shed there walks a fox. On the door he sees a lock. He cannot enter, what a shock. Fox is hungry, fox is cross. Fox is really at a loss. Foxy hears and smells the cock, but he cannot break the lock. Baby sleeps, the night is long. Granny rocking sings a song.